good. Who are you?
Are you recording? Oh, I thought you were taking one of those panoramics. No.
What do you have to say about yourself?
I'm amazing.
He hits me.
And who are you?
Special guest, Desirei Gonzalez.
Desirei Gonzalez. And what? Oh, I see you're making yourself at home. Whoa.
Get it, girl!
And what's your name? What's your name? Erika. And what's your last name? And how old are you? And how old are you?
My sis keeps on thinking that you're in kindergarten.
And how old are you?
She's in 4th grade.
And what year are you?
20.
What? Are you drunk? Okay, what's your name?
Chris.
What are you eating? What's that?
Rice Krispie treat. Homemade.
Who made it?
Me and Desirei. Why are you guys lying? I made it.
No, it's Desirei and Chris. You were sick lying on the couch.
Ooh.
Ooh, burns! Caught up.
PTO. Praise the Lord.
I love that!
Okay, everybody say goodbye.
Bye-bye. I'll let you.
Hi. Okay, bye.
Bye.